Welcome back to my channel, Annette's VanTease, where I travel part-time in my self-converted van. So do you see my shirt? There's a theme going on. It is a freaking baby! Oh, where's the mama? You're just a baby. I don't want to hit you. Yeah, go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And
See where I'm at?
Life will take you where you need to go.
At the Bigfoot highway.
Getting old don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see.
So about to head to the Bigfoot trap. It says permanent. We'll see if it's open or not. But that's where we're headed. Okay, so I just exited Bigfoot highway. I'm in Happy Camp. So we're going to the Bigfoot trap today. You see I got my another Bigfoot shirt on. Yep, so there's no service. So once I get service, I'm gonna message Gina. So I might be seeing her, and then I might be going to the Bigfoot trap. Yo.
Yeah, include both. Yeah, just
Oh,
per
there it
car.
is.
What do you think?
Yeah.
We'll talk with Beth and Tim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to the Bigfoot trap. I think it's 0.8 miles. So Gina is staying back at the lake. So she's hanging out at the lake with the van. So she could sit in the van or sit by the lake. I'm going to see the trap. There's someone down there. Careful. I'm overdriving. Got a little nauseous. All the curves for 3 hours. Whew. It's all up here. Hill. There it is. I'm walking fast. There it is. This is the world's only Bigfoot trap. It's a 10 by 10 wooden structure. It was built in 1974 by the North American Wildlife Research Team to capture a Bigfoot. There it is. Right here. So the saying goes is that team built the trap in response to reports of 18-inch Bigfoot prints near Goose Creek. They aimed to capture a Bigfoot to study it, and then they wanted to release it back into the wild. I'm in the trap. Let's hope it doesn't fall down and get me. I'm in the trap. So over 6 years of operation, the trap did catch a few bears and even a hunter, but no Bigfoot. So they ended up abandoning the trap, and then in 2006, the Forest Service and volunteers restored it in 2006. So if it fell down, I'd be stuck.
I kind of feel like he was just in there. He was just like Bigfoot. I don't. Where's the truck? I don't think there's
That's the way we did porch.
Oh, well, no.
Because when I started this, we did point.
I could have just fallen right into that and hurt my head. I almost lost my balance. Okay. I think I'm almost back. I think I can eat now. I just needed some fresh air. That was too many curves. So it's a bit of an incline if you don't want to get your heart rate up. You may not want to take it. So
A shot or film? I got it filming. Yeah, I'm filming it. You may see it again here. Yeah, I'm not getting this. Huh? What's that? I didn't see Bigfoot, but I seen part of the lake.
and some campgrounds.
Yeah.
No campgrounds.
Yep.
This is Jacksonville, a little historic town. Mount Shasta. So this is my view tonight. It's an 8-hour parking. It says no soliciting, but they probably don't check every freaking hour to count your hours. So it's 5 o'clock. I'm just gonna stay here for like 12 hours probably. I have a bit of a headache, I had the best time with Gina. We went down, it was a pretty area, Applegate Lake, I think. Apple something Lake. And then we went out for Mexican food. It was so much fun. Yeah. And I lost my Ray-Bans. My $100 sunglasses I lost. I hope I find them. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna relax and look at that view. So I had a great day today. I have a bit of a headache, and I don't know if it's because of the windy roads, not having enough water, or maybe the fruit I ate yesterday was bad, which I don't think would give me a headache, but I'm not eating any more of that fruit. So I have crossed the California border. I am at a rest stop. I'm staying longer than 8 hours just because I have a headache and I'm not feeling that great. So it's still daylight, but oh my gosh, there is a view of Mount Shasta. It's amazing. So it was just a good Bigfoot adventure, and I still have my shirt on. I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure, and you know what I always say, life is too short for boring drinks, so shake things up and check back next week for my next adventure. And if you like this one, go check this one out.